Welcome, seekers of wealth and flow. If this reading reached you, the universe is signaling abundance. Right now, energies favor fresh starts, innovation, and sudden breakthroughs in finances. New moon vibes clear blocks, open doors to unexpected cash, online opportunities, and multiplied streams. No coincidences. If money thoughts keep pulling you, the cards confirm an abundance explosion is building. Breathe deeply, ground yourself. Question: is major money incoming? What signs prove the wealth rush? What blocks or actions speed it up? Deck shuffled with intention on financial energy. Past patterns, current flow, triggers, incoming, outcome. 5 cards drawn. Past money energy, current abundant state. Hidden, trigger or block. Incoming financial move, outcome, and advice. First card, past money energy. 10 of Pentacles reversed. Stability was there, but unstable. Family wealth, long-term security, or old income sources felt solid, yet reversed. Leaks, family drama, or over-reliance on one stream caused cracks. You built foundations, but something scattered the coins. Past lessons: don't tie everything to one source. Reversed teaches release of outdated security. Those cracks now force smarter, diversified paths. The past energy sets the stage for bigger rebuild. Second card, current abundant state, Ace of Pentacles, pure potential. This ace is the seed of wealth. New opportunity, tangible manifestation, financial gift from the universe. Right now, your energy holds a golden coin ready to grow. It's not massive yet, but the ground is fertile. Innovation, online ventures, side hustles, or sudden ideas plant here. The hand from clouds offers it freely. Claim it. Current state screams, start now. Abundance isn't distant. It's in your hands, sprouting. Third card, hidden trigger or block, 5 of Pentacles. Hardship. Mindset lingers. This card shows poverty consciousness, feeling left out, struggling, cold outside the window while warmth exists inside. Hidden block, fear of lack, self-doubt, or ignoring help. You see struggle more than solutions. But the church window glows. Aid, community, or new ideas wait. Trigger, shift from victim to creator. Release scarcity stories. Once you stop focusing on what's missing, doors open wide. Eclipse like reset clears this fog fast. Fourth card, incoming financial move, Wheel of Fortune, major turn. The wheel spins, luck, cycles, destiny shifts. Incoming, unexpected positive change, windfall, viral hit, new income stream, lucky break. Could be online, crypto spike, content payout, affiliate surge. Sudden client or opportunity you didn't chase. Wheel promises fate favors you now. No control needed, trust the spin. In days or weeks, this card signals upward momentum. Abundance explosion starts here, fast, surprising, rewarding effort. Fifth card, outcome and advice. 9 of Pentacles, self-made luxury. This woman stands in her garden, enjoying fruits of labor, into pamin enchin, refining, wachamain ilisoikuri. Stam sakredal referendum. Choice gives some outcome. Financial freedom, passive streams, enjoying gains without stress. You're not just surviving, thriving solo or on your terms. Advice: cultivate patience and discipline. Invest in self, diversify, enjoy small wins to attract more. Stay elegant, no desperation. 9 says abundance comes when you value yourself first. Build your empire quietly, putting it together. Past instability, 10 of Pentacles rev, leads to new seed planted. Ace of Pentacles. Release lack mindset, 5 of Pentacles, to trigger big shift, Wheel of Fortune. Path ends in luxurious independence, 9 of Pentacles. Energy screams explosion ahead, unexpected cash, multiplied flows, online wins. What abundance looks like daily right now? Waking with money ideas flowing. Random checks or notifications hit. Opportunities appear without forcing. Feeling calm around finances. Seeing numbers align. Repeating 8881111. Shocking signs money is rushing in. Unexpected small wins stack up. People offer collabs or payments out of blue. Dreams show wealth symbols, gold, coins, luxury. Gut says, this is it. Old blocks dissolve fast. New tools/apps/ideas drop in your path. Views/engagement spike on content. Random refunds or bonuses appear. Feeling lighter about money. Universe sends confirmations through signs. Extended advice to accelerate. Focus on one high-leverage action daily. Content, trade setup, outreach. Diversify streams. Don't rely on one. Affirm daily. Money flows to me easily and abundantly. Track wins, no matter how small. Builds momentum. Detach from outcome. Enjoy process. Stay cold and hungry. Release old lack stories. Burn them mentally. Network online. Aquarius energy loves connections. Invest in skills, AI, marketing that pay long term. Affirmation. Repeat silently or aloud. I am open to unlimited abundance. Wealth flows freely in expected and unexpected ways. I release lack and welcome prosperity. Every action aligns me with riches. So it is.